let's see what we've got here. Yeah. That's jammed in pretty good. Okay, got it. Time to check the damage. Keep it steady, we're clear of the water now. All right, hold that. Lower it slowly, we're clearing the starboard side. Watch the line. Severe corrosion here, deep pitting and metal fatigue. Must be addressed immediately. Let's mark that down, large section.
Almost got it, just gotta find the angle. There, got it.
All right, pump engaged.
Hey!
Checking flow. Looking good, clear it out. Found something, a tag. Looks old, corroded. The pressure valve shows signs of significant corrosion. We'll need to isolate this section before cutting it out.
Severe pitting. This won't hold. Oh, better mark it for replacement.
This hull is covered in layers.
Keep it going.
Almost through this section. Recording 4.5. Consider a repair for this zone. Okay, this section here, yes, that matches the damage report. Let's start with this frame. All right, first mark is down.
Oh, it looks straight.
Yeah, it's perfect. All right, tack weld is done. Next plate goes here.
Don't know kilometer Fernando.
Setting the pressure now. All right, here we go. Nice even coat, just like that, looking good. Covering the edges. Perfect, done with this section. Looks like 15 feet exactly. Okay, I got it. Perfect, good to go. Looks good, see? Perfect. Yeah, that'll hold. Okay, looks like a match. Moving on to the next section. Looks good. Clean finish. No excess buildup here. All right, moving to the next section. Readings look stable. Everything appears to be within tolerance. The paintwork looks good here. Mark that as completed on the checklist. All right, time for the sealant. Smooth it out, make sure it's tight. Perfect, done. Secure the perimeter always. Don't want any stray drip on the fresh welds.
Hỏi bây giờ ngược lại còn có ai? Họ chỉ làm phiêu nhẹ ra và bây giờ xe phiêu nhẹ chưa về. Và nói với
Initiating shutdown sequence.
There you go.
Confirmation, shutdown sequence complete. All right, that's all wiped down. Looks ready for inspection now. Okay, engaging the mechanism now. Copy that. Let me know when you reach the marked position. Verified, position reached. Good. Checking alignment, logging the reading.
Tại sao cái chân đâm tại bộ phận liên để ta sử dụng công tố. Nó mà just tiết nó năng cái chiếc ốp tại đây.
The tension is at 300 Newton meters. Perfect. All right, old wiring's out. Time to route the new red and blue bundles. Make sure these ties are secure. Good to go. Okay, that's the spot.
Got it.
Perfect. Nice work. All right, that should hold. Double check is always worth it. All right, this section of the riveted seam looks good now that it's clean. I'll mark this spot here for the touch-up painting. All right, approved. Good, let's move this out. Let's line it up evenly. Don't want any paint bleeding through. All right, these chains are secure. Good work. Let's start the lift.